If you've got a training company, you're selling your NLP certifications, your hypnosis certifications, and you want one real quick tip on how to sell out your results or sell out your hypnosis certifications, fill up all the seats, get as many students as possible, it really comes down to one thing: inputs, outputs. Inputs is how much social media am I going to do? How much attention do I want to put on this? How many people can I speak to per day? How or where can I be in the most places at once where my right type of people that could use my certification on my event, where are those people and how can I show up more than everybody else? That is it. I look at business solely as I've got a training company now. We also have like the 100K coaching program. We've got our 7-figure program. We've got ACA training. All of these really come down to the same thing. And I rely on the same strategy each time. I'm just omnipresent. I just do more work than everybody else. Like as I'm recording this right now, it's Sunday morning and it's 7 a.m. and I'm going to record about 50 of these videos in a row. Probably take me about 2 or 3 hours, and that's done for the next week or two. I make a lot of content. If you're not paying for ads, you don't have a team to do this stuff, you don't have appointment setters and all that sort of thing, social media is the only thing. Awareness is social media. If clients don't know who you are, what you're about, what you're selling, and you're just expecting to put out there, hey, I'm posting an NLP certification, 5-day certification, $2,000, who wants it? And then you excuse yourself of ever talking about it again or doing social media. What do you expect? It's not a freaking mindset thing. It's not a universal thing. It's not some black magic. A witch hasn't put a curse on you and that's why you're not successful. I guarantee 100% of the time, you're not working as hard as you could. Now, I don't care what some mindset guru will throw out there. I don't care what a mentor or a guru is going to say. You're wrong. It's all about mindset and abundance blocks. That's all well and good. Here's one thing you can do to check to see if what they're saying is actually true. Look at your mentors. Look at what they're doing, not what they're saying. A lot of these mentors will just sell these mindset programs, these universe programs, all of this sort of stuff. But if you look at what they're doing all the things you should do. They're doing the social media. They've got maybe the ads, the SEO, they're doing the YouTube, the Facebook, they're doing these videos. They're showing up on social media every couple of hours. So just do that. Follow what they're doing. So when it comes to doing a launch for our ACH program, which happens about 3 or 4 times a year, again, I'm like a psychopath. I just spent every day doing as much social media as possible. I have my phone here. It goes off every 2 to 3 hours. So every 3 hours, an alarm will go off and I'll post something on social media across everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, podcast, Daily Motion, blog. There's about 12 or 15 different things that I do every 3 hours. And that's 7 days a week. Why? Because I'm in launch mode. So if you want to sell out your hypnosis certification, we have an entire program, guys, showing you how to do that. Look in the link below. It's our 7-figure training program, but I'm not here to sell that. I'm just talking about what we do. We're social media heavy. Why? Because that's the only way for people to find out about you. I don't do mindset. I don't do visualizations. I don't do vision boards. I don't do any of those things. All I do is I'm obsessed with social media. I like this saying, and it's something you guys should live by. You won't get less by doing more. So just do more than everybody else. And I guarantee at the end of the day, sure, you'll be working hard now, it'll pay off later. And all we can do then is just repeat it every single time. Really simple, guys.